Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this little paper house. This origami is made of two pieces, and the best part is, since the roof isn't attached, it can also be used to store things inside, like a little box. You can also make the walls in different colors, different roofs, and then switch and combine them however you like. To make this model, you'll need two squares of paper of the same size. First of all, I'll show you how to get those squares from an A4 sheet. If you already have the squares, you don't need to do this. You can skip this step. First, fold the sheet in half. Then fold the first layer to the right side. Next, cut off the extra paper at the bottom. Unfold the remaining part. And cut along the middle line. With that, we already have the two paper squares. Let's start with the easiest part, which is the roof. First, we are going to divide the paper into three parts. For that, you can use a ruler or simply bring about a third of the paper to one side, like this. Then fold the rest to the back. And line up the three layers, so they are the same size. Once you are satisfied, just press both sides a little. Now we have two marks. Let's fold the right side along the first mark. Do the same on the left side. For the next step, let's rotate and divide it into three again. First make those two small creases. Then fold the right side. And then the left side. Once we have those marks, fold the bottom side. And then fold the top side over it. Now it's like the paper is divided into three smaller squares. Let's fold the right square in half diagonally. Then unfold it. And fold along the opposite diagonal. This time leave it folded and repeat the same on the other side. Like before, fold it up first. And then down. For the final detail, just open the paper and fold each corner inside using the existing creases. Like this. Do the same with the other one. We have the roof of the little house. To make the floor and walls, first fold the paper in half along both diagonals. I already have one, so I'll fold only the opposite. Then turn it over and divide it into thirds again. Like before, we can start by first making the creases along the top edge. Now you could divide it exactly into 3 like before, but it's easier at the end if you make the middle part a little smaller. You just need to fold the right side a bit past the crease we made, like this. And then do the same on the left side, also folding a little past the crease. Now we are going to divide into thirds horizontally, using the point where the lines cross as a guide. After that, flip the paper to the other side and fold it in half. Now fold just a small part of the left side. Let's go to the other side and repeat the same. We can unfold the paper in the middle. And just to make the next steps easier, I'll reinforce these diagonal folds. Flip it over. And also reinforce the horizontal creases. Now that we have everything ready, we can assemble this part. First, we're going to close the right side using the diagonal crease. Then close the left side over it. And then we fold the excess paper on top over these folds, keeping the paper locked in place. On the other side, we do the same. First, close one side over the other. And then we fold the excess paper on top, locking the paper in place. We already have our second piece. We just need to place the roof on top, and the origami house is ready. It has some steps that require a bit of precision and attention, but once you get the hang of it, everything becomes very easy and you can create as many variations as you like, even making very small versions like the ones I'm showing here. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time!